Hey beauties, welcome back to AK Beauty. I have an amazing makeup look for you. This is a super simple look that I did. So I'm gonna start on a fresh face. I have already cleansed and moisturized my face with the Nivea. I'm gonna be adding the NYX Born to Glow Sunbeam on the center of my face. To color correct, I'm going to be using the orange corrector from LA Girl under my eyes and around my mouth. For me, when I have very little pigmentation, I love to use my fingers to blend the product out so that I don't have a thick layer of it on under my eyes. I'm going to be using the LA Girl foundation, the shade Natural. This is a beautiful foundation. I'm using a very little quantity, a little over half a pump of foundation, and I'm not too worried about covering under my eyes since I'm going to be using a concealer and a pigmented powder under it. I'm using the concealer from Maybelline in the shade Light under my eyes, on the chin, on the bridge of my nose and on the center of my forehead, and blending it out well, taking my time. Using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Light Medium, I'm going to set under the eyes. This powder is magic, you guys. It mattifies your makeup, not too much, not too dry. If you look at the difference between the under eyes, it also is pigmented enough to cover any discoloration that may be left out. You don't have to layer too much of a concealer under your eyes. You can apply a little and the rest will be covered with your powder. I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula bronzer in the shade Deep Bronze to add some warmth in my face. My favorite trick to create an illusion of having a lifted look is to apply some bronzer right in the corner of my eyebrow. Do you see the difference how lifted my face looks? Using the blush from Sugar Cosmetics and placing the blush exactly on the highest point of my cheek and then blending it towards the edge of the brow. This will give me a beautifully lifted and flushed look. I love to use lighters, especially when I want a very subtle glow. My fingers, I'm going to use the Too Faced highlighter in the shade Blinded by Light on the high points of my cheeks. Using the Nykaa Take a Brow powder, I'm going to be filling my brows in. To make the brow bone pop, I'm going to be using the Too Faced highlighter. Using the shade Savvy from the LA Girl Pro Artistry palette, I'm going to first create a soft transition and I'm going to enhance the outer corner of my eye using the shade Brilliance, which is a cool brown color. After doing so, I'm going to be using the shade Creative, which is a soft pink color, but after using it I realized it is a little too light and bright for me, so I added the cool gold color called Virtuoso. Using the Champagne Dazzle eyeliner and then using the shade Brilliance that we used in the outer corner to blend it out a bit. This is the best way to make your eyes look a little more subtle and not like panda eye. Using the eyeliner from the balm called Schwing, I'm going to do a small wing liner and making sure to connect the inner corner of my liner to the inner corner of my kajal to create a complete eye look. I'm using the Huda Beauty matte and melted eyeshadows in the shade Do Not Disturb and applying it in the inner corner of my eye to create some zing. I'm blending the edges out with my finger. Using the Too Faced mascara Damn Girl, I'm going to be loading on my lashes. Using liquid lipsticks from Amrish Cosmetics in the shade Tan Line, I'm going to create a base for my lipstick. And then add the shade Say Yes. For some finishing, I'm going to add a little blush, and this is my makeup look for you. Now let's start with our hair. I'm going to use a few simple things to start with. A tail comb or a rubber band, a U-pin and a bobby pin. I'm going to detangle my hair really well. I'm going to part my hair a little above the ear, pinning up upper section out of the way. I'm going to use a rubber band to tie a ponytail in the section that we just parted. Doing a soft back combing, really soft one, which you can very easily open up like this. And adding the Schwarzkopf dusted to create a little texture so that my clips stay in. My hair is really silky, so I had to use this extra product. Turn it around itself and secure it with pins. Either you can use U-pins or bob pins. Opening up the top section, I'm going to part it from the arch of the brow on both sides and pin it up and work on the section by parting them in half in the back. Pinching the hair right behind my ear, I'm going to turn and twist it around itself, and every twist I'm going to add some hair from below and create one big twist till the edge of the bun and secure it with pins. I'm going to loosen it up to create some texture, some unevenness. And I'm going to repeat the exact same steps on the other side. Now opening up the section on the top, I'm going to part horizontally a section that is approximately 1 inch thick. Do back combing only at the roots, continuing to do so until there is only one thin section left in the front. Smoothing out the top of the hair without opening the back combing to create a puff, pinning it right over the bun that we had already done. Whatever hair is left out of that section, I'm going to cover the bun, the unevenness of the bun, and securing it with pins. Now taking the section on one side, I turn it and loosen it up to create the illusion of having thicker hair. Turn it around the bun, not over it. Twist, loosen and turn on the other side as well. And securing the edges by tucking them in the bun and securing it with a pin. The back is ready. Now the front, I'm going to take the thick section that we had left in, a little back combing and a little dust it for texturizing. I'm going to sweep it back and then pull it like we usually do our bangs. The edge of that section behind my ear adding some artificial flowers that match my sari color. I prefer to do them on the left side, securing it with a pin. That's it, you beauties. This is my final look. This is a very simple wearable kind of a look. I hope you like it, and if you do, please press the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends, and if you do recreate, please tag me. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.